Hi everybody, welcome back to the Balloon channel. Thanks for being here. Oh man, I got cold all of a sudden. Does that mean that some paranormal activity is going on? Are you nervous? I'm nervous. Actually, some ballooning should be going on. So first things first, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, you can do so now. Down below, there's a button over there that says subscribe. And at the end, I think I'm going to put another one too. It's going to be me with the little, like a toothbrush. You'll see me like a geek. Anyway, let's go over the balloons we're going to use. And let's look at the design we're going to do, huh? Let's do that. Let's look at the design first. It's going to be a bunny in a basket. Oh yeah. Oh, cute little baby. All right. Anyway, let's talk about the balloons we're going to use. It's going to be 2 balloons, and at the end, let me see, they're about the same actually for what I'm going to do as far as inflation goes. We're not going to use all of this one, but you can see it has about a hand's grip there. And this one has only, oh my goodness, look at that, not even that much right there. In addition to that, I also have some little green. We're going to create, this is going to be our grass. I just cut a balloon and, twice, and I cut off the end there. And we're just going to stuff that at the end, and that's going to be our little grass inside the basket. So if you haven't seen the basket tutorial, don't worry, towards the end, I'll link that. I'm going to teach here, but the link that I'm going to put makes so you can put Easter eggs in your basket. So, and maybe by the time you get to this, you'll be like, oh, I could do that. No problem. Exactly, that's what it's all about, right? All right, so markers, I'm just going to use a black and a white. Just depends. You probably don't have to use the white if you don't got it, so don't fret. All right, and then I have my trusty dusty, no, not dusty, cutter here that I'm going to be using. Just keep that right down there. All right, the way I do my videos is I will bring the sound down. That way we can maximize the teaching and minimize the twisting. For any of you guys that watch it, you probably realize that I said that backwards, right? Yes, okay, doesn't matter. Let's bring that sound down. Let's start twisting. Here we go. Okay, the balloon we're going to go ahead and get started with is the brown. We're going to go ahead and make the basket with that. So we got about 5 fingers there. Going to do a pinch twist, and then we're going to come right back to the nozzle. There we go. Okay, just going to match that, pull that right through. Looking good. Pinch twist again. And then we're going to go underneath, and when we make this part right here, we're going to make sure that it is slightly bigger than the rest, than those others, so about 6 fingers there. And then when you do this part right here, I didn't make this big enough, and you'll see towards the end I should have made it bigger. See, I was a little conservative on that, so definitely go bigger if you're trying to get the bunny to have that, handle the basket fit in, over his ears, not behind his ears. So a difference there. So there we go. I'm just going to pull that balloon across there and wrap it around. There we are. And something I didn't mention as we're looking at the balloon here, is if you want to support this channel, you can go to patreon.com/jlomagic. You'll see it in the bottom corner there. Just one way you can support the channel. Anyway, let's go ahead and get back to the twisting. You see I pulled that balloon across. I'm going to go ahead and actually put the handle down out of the way as we get ready to install the bunny. And the way we're going to do that is we're going to create a small bubble. There we go. Really small, about 1 inch, ½ inch there. And then what we're going to do is go ahead and make sure that we get that that balloon that we pulled across there. I'm going to make sure that that wraps around the bubble, so it actually stays there, and that way we can push the bubble down inside there, and that way it'll actually stay, no problem. There you go. I think that's looking pretty good. And so we'll do about 3 fingers there for this segment. There we go. And then we're going to do like we did with the bunny wand. We're going to create that same head. There we go. So you see I did about 4 fingers there. There we go. 4 to 5. And then we're going to do 2 bubbles. There we are. And then we're going to do is we're going to wrap it around, and we're going to come back to the second bubble that we made, and we're going to pinch twist that. So after that has been pinch twisted, we're going to go ahead and make another bubble. We're going to go down from there. Okay, that's how we're going to be able to achieve the arm. So you see we got that. We're going to do another 1 inch bubble followed by another bubble. We're going to pinch twist that bubble. There we go. Okay, and then you can decide how long you want the arms to be, for them to come out the front. I would say 3 to 4 fingers is pretty good. I wouldn't do more than that, because then you're going to play with mess up your proportions there. So I'm just going to go ahead and match them before I actually twist it. So you see I got 2 bubbles right there, and I'm going to go around the front of the body there. Okay, and now we just twist back into that pinch twist, and we are pretty much done. There we go. You can go ahead and break off the excess there. Okay, so that's pretty much the design. Hopefully you found that pretty darn easy, and just adjust those arms so they are pretty centered, and then you can bring the handles back up again. So, that was the idea behind this, to make sure we can add a bunny in there really quick, and then it won't take up too much of your time. That way you can really maximize on entertaining your audience, talking to them. And right now I'm just working on the aesthetics. There we go. I think that's looking pretty good so far. All right, and then you can see a comparison. It really didn't work out like I wanted it to. I made the handle too small. So let's go ahead and continue with our grass. I'm just stuffing it in there. Yeah, we made it. Yes. Not too bad, huh? What do you think? I think so. All right. Oh, real quick, let's bring the sound down one more time. I just want to show you one more thing before we come back to the artwork, okay? And that is, if you have another brown balloon, here's what you can do with it. For some of you guys, you're probably already ahead of me, but let's go ahead and do it anyway so you guys can see. Here we go. You guessed it, we're gonna turn it into a headband. Yes, why not? So I just rolled a small bubble, and I'm gonna roll it into my pinch twist. There we go. That's all I want to do. And actually, I have sped up the video right now because of how simple this is. I don't want to take too long. Just measure it and go ahead and roll it into the other pinch twist, and you're good to go. Again, one more time, if you want to support this channel, patreon.com/jlomagic. That's patreon.com/jlomagic. All right, anyway, back to the video. Thanks for watching. Note to self, don't try to adjust this thing while it's on your head. These little pinch twists are giving me a little heartache there. All right, let's go over the artwork really quick. It's going to be the same as I did before. So if you remember that artwork from before, you can probably be like, I'm skipping this. I'm out of here. So if you haven't though, and this is your first time here, again, welcome. But let's go ahead and go over the artwork really fast, okay? We're going to do a little nose. It's going to be a little oval. Ta-da. Okay. You can see that there. Hopefully I didn't get that glare wrong. And then we'll do our little muzzle followed by a little smile. There we go. And we'll have the little teeth. The tooth. I guess it's teeth, huh? That's two. Is that one split or is that one tooth? All right, and then our whiskers. 1, 2, 3. Look at that. We got 6 whiskers. Yay. All right, and then we have our little eyes. Like I said, if you don't have the white marker, you could totally leave it like that. No one's gonna get mad at you. I'm sure no one's gonna say, hey, I deserve white highlights in my bunny's eyes. No, they'll probably be okay. So there it is right there. Yes, I hope you enjoy this and you'll be like, man, I could totally use that. Then totally use it. Yes. Like I said, thank you very much for hanging out with me. I I super appreciate when you guys tune into the channel. I love it. The subscriber numbers have been going up. That means people are finding these designs enjoyable. Rate it. Give me a thumbs up. I appreciate it. Comment down below. Say, yes, I'm going to try to make that. Totally. You should, because it's super fun, and that's what balloons are all about. You know what I mean? I was at a party earlier today, and the kids were just going bananas, and the parents were like, whoa, crazy dude. We can't believe the things you can make out of balloons. And I just say, whoa, crazy, you hired me because, we're all going to have a fun time, and that's what it's all about, my friends. So until next time, happy twisting, everybody. Bye.